You ready to go to the vet? Nope, I'm not ready to go to the vet. Somebody save me.
Lady, we're going to the vet. You ready? Yep. Yep, I'm sorry. Here we are. You gotta go. I'm sorry. It's okay, Junior. It's okay. It's okay. What's the matter? What is it? Oh, he's so sad. What is it? Junior.
קוקו, בואי הולכים ממי. בואי קטנה שלי. עכשיו תראי איך אני נותנת לה טריט. רומי, אני נותנת לה טריט והיא לא יוצאת. תסתכלי, והיא מתה על הטריט הזה.
היא יוצאת.
בואי קוקו. בואי קוקו. מי קטנה שלנו. קוקו, בואי.
Vet.
Bella, it's time to go to the vet. It's time to go to the vet. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, shit. Go. It's time to go to the vet, Bella. It's time to go to the vet. It's time to go. Let's go.
Dozer. Dozer. Is it stinky?
Snickers, come on. Come on. Let's go to the doctor. Come on. Okay, I'll come get you over there. You stay there. Snickers, come on, buddy. Let's go. Okay, stay over there. Really? Really, Snickers? Come on.
You want me to tell your vet you're being a bad girl? Uh-oh. Are you being a bad girl? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the bad girl's getting her bed because she's being bad. See? I won't tell your vet. You're being a good girl now. Good girl, Haley.
What'd you do?
Here she comes. Is it okay?
Got that on camera.
Gilda, come here.
Come here, baby.
Come here, baby.
Baby, it's okay. Come here.
The first video I had.
So that I can shove this one in. I know it can. I know it'll fit. Just give me a second here. Okay, Mom.
Yeah. Look at that kissy face. Oh my goodness, it's eating again. Oh, okay, enough, Renee. Bye-bye. Hello.
Ready?
Ready to go? Go, Yoji. Come here, Papa. Yoji. Come on.
Don't pull him. We'll get him in.
Yoji. Yoji. Yoji, no. Yoji. Come on. Come on, Zara. This way. Look. Come on, come on this way.
She'll usually go, like, if you go. She's
Yeah.
probably waiting for you.
Bye, Zara.
Come on, Zara. Come on,
Bye.
This May. Usually if you go, then
Come on,
she'll
Zara.
come back
Let's
with
go.
us.
Come on.
I'm hiding from,
She's hiding from the mean lady, Lisa.
from the mean technician, Lisa. Come on, Annie. Oh, you're beautiful. Like, now I'm gonna get my whole body into there. Come here, gorgeous. Okay, let's Robin, your friend. I got Wesley's phone number.